Apple Watch Series 9 was just released while I'm still wearing my version 4. I placed a pre-order for it and here it is today. Let's have a look together at what's inside the box and compare the two models. This is the new band. I think this is ecological. Some paperwork. The band is the same as the one I'm wearing right now. And for the watch itself. Okay. Designed by Apple in California. Inside we have the charging cable with USB-C. Some paperwork and the watch itself. This is black aluminum, 45 millimeters, and here it is. Now let's compare it to the watch on my wrist. So this is the 44 millimeter and this is the 45 millimeter version. The watch seems a little bit bigger. Different sensors. I'm curious if the band works on my watch. Like this. Perfect match. The band connectors are the same for the old and the new Apple Watch Series 9. My version 4 runs the latest watchOS, so there is not going to be any difference in the software itself. Only that is 5 generations old and I have a little bit of problems with the battery. The new model we have a huge spike in processing speed compared with this one and new functions for Find My Phone that can more accurately find your device and also has triple the range. For a quick comparison, I have connected the new watch. Let's have a short look at the differences. If we have a look at the menu, we can see that the movement is almost the same, even if Series 9 has of course a way faster processor. The icons are a little bit larger and easier to interact with. Also, if we can look at the screen, the black on the new model is a little bit darker and it's also going almost edge to edge, while on the Series 4 we have this thick bezel going all around. I did a test also on the charger, since we know that it uses a USB-C connector and maybe you do not have a USB-C brick lying around. Using the old charger from the Series 4 works just fine until of course you can purchase extra bricks. I think this is a really nice upgrade, especially if you're coming from an older series watch like I am. Even if the design didn't change so much during the years, the new model packs a lot of extra technology. That's it for this small review. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.